Okay, so we got this little thing knocked out. Little hallway or hot water heater closet coming in the back door. We got the bed broke down from this other room. Got a mess in here right now, but point that out. We always, if we got nothing but hardwood to put our tools on, I always like to save something, whether it be a box or whatever. This is like 4 pieces of the vinyl plank that we took out. It's got cork backing, so we just make sure the backs have no debris on them. Make sure we don't put it down on a bunch of garbage. And we are nice and safe to protect the floor from our tools. Anyway, we got this room all cleared out, swept, ready to go. The seams in this are all good. So there ain't no cracking. Hot mat, as soon as I said that. Right there. As soon as I said there ain't no cracking and popping, I heard that. Right there. I will address that. Mark that right there. Okay. I guess I better double check better. I'll look at this. But anyway, throughout tearing this up, moving furniture out and all that, I have not heard anything, any crackling and popping. So I'm gonna take care of that right there. And we're gonna put some paper down and install. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Oakley dokley, I guess you can see what we are doing. We be working on the quarter round. Old tricks of the trade right there. So we can get that white finished edge right there. See that raw wood? And another old trick of the trade right there so we can get some good corners. Yeah. Anyway, all done. Talking all stupid and stuff. Anyway, everything's done. Working on some cool around now. Got all the wood installed, and we'll get this quarter round down. We're gonna get the rock out of here soon. We headed off to the CFI 2022 Flooring Convention. Also, International Flooring Installers Competition, son. Leaving out tomorrow. Got like a 9-hour drive down to Orlando. But I'm all sick and I'm flipping. I swear, I feel like I'm going to court or something. I'm tore up about that competition. I just gotta chill. Anyway, let's get this wrapped up. Alrighty, all completed, everything. Sorry.
Well, look at your beautiful floor.
It's yours.
Oh, all right, you look so handsome.
All the transitions and everything. That's all right, bud. Quarter round.
You guys did a really good job.
Thank you, ma'am. Dishwasher, everything. Yeah.
There's a couple of mine.
Oh, okay. Thanks, buddy. All right, that worked out good. I actually put that on the table saw and just ripped about a 1/4 inch off that so it would fit back on there nice. And that is it. We are going to get outie batty.